Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I create these AI-generated underground container house transformation videos using Flow AI. Before we begin, here's one of my previous underground container house videos. If you've ever wondered how I make videos like this from start to finish, this tutorial will show you the complete workflow from generating images all the way to creating the final cinematic AI video. Let's get started. Every project needs a location first. For this tutorial, I'm using an Arctic Sea environment covered with snow and ice. Generate the first image and make sure the environment looks exactly the way you want before moving to the next step. Next, generate a large rectangular excavation in the snow. The pit should reveal the underground sea water, creating the space where a container house will be installed. This image will become the base for the following construction stages. Now place a shipping container inside the underground pit. Next, cover the top of the container with snow. Only leave the entrance hatch visible above the surface. Now generate the underground interior. This is one of the most important images. The container should feature a large glass wall overlooking the underwater world, allowing fish and sea life to be visible outside the glass. This creates the unique underwater living experience that makes the design so impressive. Next, paint the inside surfaces of the container. This gives the room a cleaner and more finished appearance before adding the structural elements. Now generate the wooden grid frame attached to the container walls. This framing will support the insulation and interior wall panels. Next, fill the wooden frame with insulation material. Cover every wall evenly to prepare the room for the final interior finishing. Now cover the walls, ceiling, and floor with wooden sheets. At this stage, the container begins to look warm and livable instead of an industrial shipping container. Finally, decorate the interior. Add a comfortable bed, furniture, warm lighting, decorations, and other cozy elements. The goal is to transform the underground container into a beautiful modern bedroom with an incredible underwater view. Once you've generated all of these images, your image generation stage is complete. Now it's time to turn these images into videos. Generate each video clip one step at a time using your AI video generator. In this tutorial, I'm showing the process in fast forward because the generation takes some time, but the workflow is exactly the same for every shot. Continue generating each construction stage until every image has been converted into a smooth animation. Once all of your AI video clips are finished, import everything into CapCut. Arrange the clips in the correct order. Trim unnecessary sections, adjust the timing, add transitions if needed. Include sound effects and background music, and export the final video. With just a little editing, you'll have a smooth construction time-lapse that looks realistic and satisfying to watch. This entire project was created by combining AI-generated images, AI video generation, and simple editing inside CapCut. And at last, I have attached the final outcome of the video. If you'd like to create your own versions, don't forget to download the prompt document linked in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what AI tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.